Okay, so I want to give you an overview of the brand new Khan Academy app that they just released yesterday. Before I go into the app and show you what it's all about, I do want to make sure that you know that there's an old one, which is this Khan app, which is all one word. That's the old one, not official. The new one, the official one, is Khan Space Academy. Alright, I just want to give you an idea of how it looks, kind of give you an overview, and kind of get your head around this. Alright, when you bring up Khan Academy, the first thing it does, the first page it brings up, is the talk that Sal Khan gave at TED 2011. And one thing that you'll notice right off the bat, on a lot of these video pages, they're going to give you subtitles down here at the bottom, which is really cool. These subtitles they can search by, you can click right on the title, it'll take you right to the track, right to that spot in the video that subtitle is corresponding to. So that's really cool, I like that feature. To get them to play, of course, all you do is hit play. Now, one thing you want to make sure that you realize is that what you see is that it's starting to download it from YouTube. These are being fed into YouTube. And so when you actually watch the videos the first time, it has to be connected to the internet and definitely a Wi-Fi connection to get a good solid connection. Now, you don't have to have the internet after you view the video, because on these videos you can also hit download. And when you click on the download button on any of these videos, it's going to take that video and it's going to download it into your own personal download folder here within the app. It does take up space, but it will download for you so that you can view it offline. Right now I'm at 31%. Also, just to make sure you can see, you can log in. You can log into Khan Academy using Google or Facebook, and there are benefits to that. I'm not going to go into it, but you can track videos. You can have they're coming out with different ideas as far as award systems and stuff like that. But that is a way to log in to Khan Academy from here. Okay, so it's successfully downloaded. Another thing I want to show you is the share button. You can share this to Facebook or Twitter. Of course, it's the full screen button, so you can bring it back and forth, just like you would any other video. And that's basically how the video screens work. Now, to get to all the different videos, what you do is click on videos up here. It defaults you in the talks and interviews, so you get to learn all about Sal Khan if you want to. If you don't, you go back down to videos, and then there's the broken down section of the Khan Academy videos. So science, again, all these different spots. We've talked about this before, but if you have something in biology, you just find what you want. Introduction to heredity. Here it is. Comes up, it's loading the subtitles, so here's the subtitles. Hit play.
Well, before we
good to go.
even knew what DNA
and again,
was.
All of that gets fed in from the internet unless you download it yourself. And the way these subtitles work, I'm just going to go right here just to show you.
Darker one seems to dominate, or
takes you right to that
it
spot.
ends up being a mix, and we've seen that all around.
Now, to get to your downloaded videos, it's a little bit trickier. What you do is you come back here to videos, go back to this section here until you see this little settings button. I'm going to come back to all the videos. So click on the settings button, and you're going to the download only. That's going to show you the ones that I've downloaded. So I downloaded some in math, arithmetic, pre-algebra. It'll have the ones bolded, if you can see that, that's bolded. Those are the ones I've downloaded. If I go here, I haven't downloaded any in that section. So it still keeps the classification, which is nice, of what you download. If you want to manage those, you can go, and by the way, here's the one that I just downloaded from TED 2011. So that was a pretty quick download. That's a 20-minute talk, and it took only, less than a minute to get it downloaded, so not that long. Alright, and again, if you want to manage your downloaded videos, click on this button right here, and then this is where I could delete anything that I don't want anymore. So if I want to get rid of this ratios and as fractions in simplest form, just click it, delete it, it's gone. And that's pretty much it. That's how the app works. Of course, definitely realize that it can go, landscape as well as portrait, and depending on how you want to view it, it's good to go each way. So that's the Khan Academy app. I do like this app. I think it's got some growing to do. This is the first time it's come out, and it's a good resource. Definitely good.